Hey guys, it's Oberstadt. So today I got my Jeffree Star order in. I ordered it the day that the Blue Blood palette launched, and I am wearing two different looks. Actually, the first look I did was using some of the more neutral shades in here, and then the other one I went kind of like bold and crazy, and I'm only wearing one false lash. So anyways, I will be posting these at different times, and I will be speeding them up and doing voiceover for them. But yeah, so these are the first two looks that I've created with this palette. I did do a swatch video, and the blue shade Ocean Ice does stain rather badly, and I have washed my arm multiple times since I did the swatches, entitled also stains, but not nearly as bad as Ocean Ice. Okay, so this is my very first look using the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. I am going all over my lid with a fluffy brush in the shade Wealthy. And in my crease, I'm going in with Celebrity Skin. Like a bird on a and I am wearing no makeup or anything else on my face right now. I didn't know how these shadows would fall down onto my face, so I decided not to use it. I then try and apply Crystal Flesh with a flat shader brush that's synthetic and dry, and oh man, did that not work. So I got the brush wet with water, and it went on like 1,000 times better and definitely more metallic. I took Cullinan and put that on my brow bone in my inner corner, and then here I'm back with face makeup on, taking Celebrity Skin under my eye. I am wearing a lip liner as an eyeliner, because it's the only eyeliner that I have that's in like a nice soft brown shade. I then took Crystal Flesh under the inner third of my eyelid and then topped that with Cullinan. There is the finished look for the first look, and I like to include pictures when I do makeup looks just so you guys can see what they look like in, you know, an actual photo, a photo. So these are shots that I took in my bathroom using my ring light, and then I did take some pictures outside in the backyard and on the roof so you could see what it looks like in natural lighting. Everything on my face will be linked down below. The lip liner that I'm using is from my line, and it's called Ravishing. And then I'm wearing Celebrity Skin on my lips. I also got this with my Jeffree Star order as well. So here are some outside looks. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Please let me know what you think down below. So anyways, this is the Celebrity Skin on with the first two makeup looks. I know if you look at this eye, it looks like I'm wearing a nice neutral makeup look for the day, and it, you know, this is like you've got your everyday makeup. And if you look, my blush on one side is more kind of natural. Now, of course, the highlight, I gotta have my highlight. So this side is definitely more neutral. Got the nice neutral everyday makeup, you know, go to work kind of thing that looks perfectly fine. And hopefully you enjoy this like try on and review, I guess first impression review. Make sure to check out my Instagram, which is osp.fl, to see some of the other looks that I do and post. I will leave everything's linked down below. Everything on my face will be linked down below as well. So hopefully you guys enjoy. I will see you in another video very soon. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know whether you like this side. So I will see you guys later. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye.